Video statistics. Now, I don't want to just tell you these different video statistics to sell you on why video is important. Obviously, you're taking this course, you know the importance of video, but I want to give you some good resources just for yourself for you to study because it's very important for you to understand and know these statistics, especially if you're going to be selling video creation services later on, possibly to local businesses or other marketers, so you could build your case and build your sales pitch, which is very important. And just some of these are very interesting, especially the last resource that I'm going to tell you about that is a must for anyone doing any type of business online. Well, if we just go to youtube.com, then we see a whole bunch of statistics here. YouTube has more than 1 billion users. 300 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute. These are very, very impressive ones. When you're talking also to different potential clients, some of the ones you want to emphasize are especially the advertising ones. If you do something with video ads, even though here we're not going to talk about video ads, but if you do, or you could talk about how video can drive potential sales, those are important ones because that is a direct connection to how that client can later on monetize that video, which is much more important. For example, if you're just talking about how many hours of video are uploaded to YouTube, great. Now, if I tell you, well, more than 1 million advertisers are using Google ad platforms, the majority of which are small businesses, and you're talking to a local business owner about the potential video, that's much more relevant to them. So check out some of these stats. I also included another link which has some pretty cool one. What's the market for online video, different percentages, and this one's very interesting. The percentage of online shoppers at a major retailer's website who said they find video helpful in making shopping and buying decisions is 90%. 90%. That's critical, especially when you're taking that to a local brand. Maybe it's a small shop that sells fabric, clothes, anything like that. That is something that will sell them very well on the potential of video. So start thinking from that mindset when you're studying these statistics and taking them for your own arsenal. This last strategy, and I like to call it a strategy because it's not just a resource, but studying this is an entire strategy because it's going to transform your mindset. And this is the KPCB. This is a very famous venture capital firm that has invested in a whole range of very hot startups all over the world and primarily in Silicon Valley. And this is a resource created by Mary Meeker, who works at KPCB, and it's called Internet Trends. And she publishes, along with KPCB, every year this Internet Trends report, which I highly recommend that you go and click here. You view it as a PDF and you just go through the entire report and study it. Why? Because it's going to tell you about different trends in the market, online, internet trends, everything, so that it can help you understand where opportunities are. For example, it talks about how mobile and video is growing rapidly and how this is going to be an opportunity. So you could start thinking from the mindset, okay, in the future, what should I focus on? What should I adapt to so that I can find more strategies, more ways of making money, whether it's with video or anything else online. So I like to include this resource because it's helped me a lot, and it's helped me also understand the environment and where online and the internet is headed. So use these resources, study them, and it's going to help you take you to the next level.